The brain is not a fixed organ. It is not set in stone once you reach a certain age, and it's certainly not bound by any predetermined limitations. In fact, your brain is far more capable of growth, repair, and transformation than you've ever been led to believe. The notion that once you reach adulthood, your brain's potential is limited or that your memory will inevitably decline as you age is a misconception that you can shatter today. If you've been struggling to focus, recall details, or simply feel like your mental sharpness isn't where it used to be, I'm here to tell you that there is hope. The secret lies in your neurons. These tiny cells that carry signals throughout your brain have the incredible ability to regenerate, strengthen, and expand, making your brain just as capable of growth as any muscle in your body. However, today we're going to explore how you can boost your neurons, enhance your memory, and reduce inflammation. All key factors that will give you a sharper mind and a healthier brain. The first thing you need to understand is neuroplasticity. This is the phenomenon where your brain has the ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout your life. It means that despite what you may have been told, your brain is not locked into a permanent state. It has the capacity to grow, adapt, and even heal. That's right. Your brain can recover from damage, learn new things, and continuously improve its functioning. So, how do we kickstart this process? How do we take advantage of the brain's capacity for growth and repair? How do we ensure that our neurons are firing at their best, enhancing our memory and minimizing the harmful effects of inflammation? The answers lie in three key areas: stimulation, nourishment, and protection. Let's explore them in detail. First, let's talk about stimulating your brain. Just as you can build muscle through exercise, you can strengthen your brain through cognitive challenges and mental exercises. The more you challenge your brain, the more it grows. Think of your neurons as trees. The more connections they make, the larger the tree grows and the stronger the branches become. One of the simplest ways to stimulate your brain is through learning new things. Pick up a new hobby, try learning a new language, take a class, or even play challenging games like puzzles, chess, or strategy-based video games. These activities promote neural growth and increase the connectivity between neurons, keeping your brain sharp and agile. Another powerful way to stimulate your brain is through physical activity. You might be wondering how exercise affects the brain, but it's actually quite profound. Exercise boosts the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which is essentially fertilizer for your brain. BDNF promotes the survival and growth of neurons, enhances memory and learning, and helps create new neural pathways. Regular physical activity, especially aerobic exercises like walking, running, cycling, and swimming, can significantly enhance cognitive function and stimulate the production of BDNF. Exercise doesn't just strengthen the body, it strengthens the mind. When you engage in physical activity, you increase blood flow to the brain, providing it with the oxygen and nutrients it needs to perform at its best. Exercise also releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals, which help reduce stress and improve mood. This has a direct impact on cognitive function, making it easier for you to concentrate and remember things. And so it's clear that incorporating regular physical activity into your routine will help stimulate your brain and promote growth. Now let's talk about nourishing your brain. Just as your body needs the right fuel to function, your brain needs the right nutrients to thrive. The foods you eat play a crucial role in brain health, and there are specific nutrients that support neuronal growth, memory, and overall cognitive function. One of the most important nutrients for your brain is omega-3 fatty acids, which are found in fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. Omega-3s are essential for building healthy brain cells, and maintaining strong connections between neurons. In fact, studies have shown that individuals who consume higher amounts of omega 3 fatty acids tend to have better memory and cognitive function. Another critical nutrient is antioxidants, which help protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation. Fruits like blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are rich in antioxidants, and they can help reduce the damage caused by free radicals in the brain. Antioxidants help protect neurons from oxidative damage and promote the repair and growth of brain cells. They also support neuroplasticity, making it easier for your brain to adapt and form new connections. But there's more to brain nourishment than just antioxidants and omega 3s. You also need a variety of vitamins and minerals to keep your brain functioning at its peak. Vitamin E, for example, is an antioxidant that helps protect neurons from oxidative damage, and it's found in foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach. Vitamin B12 is essential for maintaining healthy nerve cells, and a deficiency in this vitamin can lead to memory problems and cognitive decline. You can find B12 in animal products like meat, eggs, and dairy. Magnesium is another mineral that plays a key role in brain health. It supports neurotransmitter function, which is vital for memory and learning. Magnesium also helps regulate blood flow to the brain and reduces the effects of stress. Foods rich in magnesium include leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. If you want to nourish your brain and promote its growth, be sure to eat a well-balanced diet that includes plenty of healthy fats, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. A diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods will provide the nutrients your brain needs to function at its best. Additionally, consider adding supplements such as omega 3s, B vitamins, and magnesium if you feel your diet is lacking. The third crucial element to optimizing your brain health is reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the most damaging things to your brain. It has been linked to a variety of cognitive issues, including memory loss, difficulty concentrating, and even more severe conditions like Alzheimer's disease and other neurodegenerative disorders. Inflammation occurs when your body's immune system reacts to injury, infection, or other not harmful stimuli. So, while acute inflammation is a natural and necessary response to injury, chronic inflammation is harmful and it can significantly impair brain function. One of the most effective ways to reduce inflammation in the brain is through diet. As we discussed earlier, foods that are high in antioxidants can help reduce oxidative stress, a major contributor to inflammation. But you can also incorporate anti-inflammatory foods into your diet to directly target inflammation in the brain. These include foods like turmeric, ginger, green tea, and olive oil. Turmeric, for instance, contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that has been shown to reduce brain inflammation and promote cognitive function. Exercise also plays a significant role in reducing inflammation. Regular physical activity has been shown to lower levels of pro-anilinoid cytokines, which are molecules that contribute to inflammation. In fact, studies have found that individuals who exercise regularly tend to have lower levels of inflammation in their brains and bodies. So, by staying active, you are not only boosting brain growth and memory, but you're also reducing the harmful effects of inflammation. Adequate sleep is another critical factor in reducing inflammation. Sleep is the body's natural recovery process, and it's during sleep that your brain has the chance to repair itself, remove toxins, and reduce inflammation. Poor sleep or sleep deprivation has been linked to higher levels of inflammation in the brain, which can impair memory and cognitive function. To optimize brain health, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. And stress reduction is equally important in the fight against inflammation. Chronic stress triggers the release of cortisol, a stress hormone that can promote inflammation in the brain. High levels of cortisol over time can damage neurons and impair cognitive function. By practicing stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or mindfulness, you can help reduce inflammation and protect your brain from the damaging effects of chronic stress. It's clear that boosting your brain, enhancing your memory, and reducing inflammation are all interconnected. By stimulating your brain, nourishing it with the right nutrients, and reducing inflammation, you can optimize its growth and function, leading to sharper memory, better cognitive performance, and a healthier brain overall. But remember, this is not a one-time fix. It's not about a quick hack or a magic pill. It's about creating lasting habits that support your brain's health every single day. The more consistently you engage in brain-boosting activities, nourish your body with the right foods, and reduce inflammation, the more you will see improvement in your cognitive function and memory. Your brain has the incredible potential to grow, adapt, and heal. By taking care of it, you can unlock its full potential and create the sharpest, most powerful mind you've ever had. So start today, stimulate, nourish, and protect your brain, and watch as your memory improves, your neurons thrive, and your mental clarity soars. The power to enhance your brain is in your hands.